Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today we have here the car from Bern. Here's today my English subtitle guy. You take the camera and follow this build. We have here this car. That's the original SDI factory car. No, it's with stickers like this. And here we have his new long block. This is a Subi-Performance Stage 3 closed stack short block with new heads, with Piper cams, and yes, a really nice engine. Now we put this old engine out and assembled all parts together. Actually the car is nearly stock. We have here the original turbo and modified intake. Exhaust is stock.
It's stock.
Except downpipe.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, cool. Yeah, but that's only the first step. Maybe in the future we can, with this engine, we can easily handle a little bit more power. Something like 500 is no problem. And what you do mainly with this car?
Oh, having fun on the Nordschleife. Beating a little bit with Porsches.
Which time you drive with this car actually on the Nordschleife?
The BTG around 8 minutes. So
Yes.
now I'm changing driver skills to horsepowers and
Yeah.
I will be below 8 minutes.
Cool.
Without having more driving skills.
Yes. Okay. I think first we need an espresso. Now you... So, bitteschön. Yes, so just we finished the first cylinder head. Perfect.
So the motor is taken out. It's just here. We clean it a little, that it's not looking so ugly as it was. So now the challenge is to change all the stuff to the new block. And hopefully this new block is arriving here. And later we have a happy driver. we got it. Easy going.
Komm mal her.
Jetzt. Es blinkt rot.
Das ist schon mal gut. Hier, New O-Ring. Schön. That is a better water pump. That is the old one, but normally that's the old one for the old STIs here.
Okay.
And that is for the newer ones, but that here can transport more volume.
Volume.
Yes. So always buy this one here. Here's the easiest way for install. Take one screw, do it like this, and then you are safe that the gasket will not go away or something like this. Then easy, only a little bit like this. Aua, mein Finger war dazwischen. So. Then you see there, second hole. Okay, perfect. And then many people ask me, please write down under the video the torque specs. No, I will don't do that, because you find all torque specs in the website, not in the website, in the World Wide Web. There you found many sites who have original Subaru service manuals, and there you find all torque specs. I use the same. Okay. Jetzt hier weg, alles weg. Cool. Für Bernd die Nummer 93 bekommen. Neue Motoren, Russisch. Wir haben einen russischen Motor eingebaut. Now we get a Russian engine here. How much horsepower you have?
3000.
Oh. I thought 4, maybe, or 3. Cool, yes. Yeah, there's the bearing. Nice. We put it now in. This nice engine got an ACT clutch. This one here, I think heavy duty or something like this. These are very good.
Heavy, yes. Duty, I don't know.
I prefer this. Good. Gleich gefallen. Yes, engine is already installed. Here, take a look. Looks like before we start. Everything perfect, nice. Now the crankshaft sensor is not connected. Bernd is in the car. Bernd, please first start. Sounds good.
MFD muss überprüft werden.
Ja, ist normal. Stecker aus jetzt alles machen, ne? Weil ich werde jetzt da meine Hände reingreifen und den Kurbeln, sondern auch hier. Okay, please start. Sounds pretty good, runs smoothly. I think we have done a good job. Okay. Now we let it run for something about 5 minutes and then we make the first oil change. And, check if everything is good, everything in nice condition, and then we go for a drive for something about 40 kilometers. And yeah, then can drive home. Okay. So first oil change. It's very important. Always use how it calls in English here.
It's a small firefighter.
Firefighter, right? When you go to the first test ride. Okay. At this moment we have a trouble code. That is the air pump, because we have actually no air pump anymore, and we have to map it. I think Alex can do it in a few days. Clutch feels good. You need anyway a mapping because of the cams that do a lot.
brakes like a railway, I know. But it brakes well.
Which brake pads?
The front, endless.
Yeah.
MA45B. And in the back, something from Hawk.
Okay.
And DBA discs.
When it's hot, it's away?
Hmm?
When the brakes are hot? Wenn die Bremsen heiß sind? Oder?
No, if the brakes are hot, it's gone. Then it's not noisy.
Heftig, oder?
Yes, of course. It's a race car.
Okay. Very nice. First test ride. Drives good. Runs good. Yes, ready. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. That was our last 2 days. I think maybe you will see this car sometimes at the Nürburgring. You have a YouTube channel too, right?
Yes.
Yes, check it out. El Pepino.
El Pepino, yes.
El Pepino.
That's
Here's
the
the
name,
link.
it's the name of my car.
Ah,
in
it's El
Spain,
Pepino.
Pepino is a fast car.
Ah, okay.
In German, it's Gurke. It's a Lame Gurke. That's fun. What is here slow is in Spain fast.
Yes, cool. Yes, okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Ciao.
Bye.